To initiate sustainability development, environment protection should be an integral part of development process. Environmental issues can be best handled with the participation of all concerned citizens at the local and national levels.
Okay, that's fine. So there's an impact of human activities on the environment. So it's been a greatly, it's been in progress, it's been accelerated. The activities which are taking place on the environment. So the pressure of, because of, there are some certain consequences like how the environment is being badly affected, how it's been affected. So the main cause of this is population growth. The growth of population is tremendously increasing. If the growth of population increases, what happens, children? Naturally, the needs will increase. The need for livelihood, the need for uh, house to live in. So we need more houses to live in. We need more space to expand ourselves. We are cutting off trees and we are spreading the area which we are, the housing area which we want to live, which we want to construct the houses. So because of this, the uncontrollable consumption of resources also taking place because of population growth. We are consuming, we need more and more resources, we need more and more amount of food. So for that, the cultivation must be more. And if we want more things to be consumed, more resources, so we have to go on with the very perfect crop. The crop must not be spoiled. The crop must be very safe from the insects and all. So to do that, what farmers are using, they are using so many fertilizers. So are these fertilizers healthy for our health? Are they very safe? Yes.
No,
What happens to the health of the people? Yes, what happens? So to get more amount of cultivation, to get more amount of resources, then we need to go for more variety, like a hybrid variety we are getting now. We are getting more amount of vegetables. We are, so to get this high quality yield, they are using so many fertilizers. So these fertilizers are very harmful for the health. So that's why they are asking us to wash the vegetables, to wash the fruits properly before consuming them. So apart from this, there are so many advancements in science and technology. So how the science and technology have is taking part in the development of in this uncontrollable changes which are happening, how it is, what are the things they are doing, like in science and technology, what are the changes which are being brought about in the environment? Can anyone just tell me what are the changes which are happening due to science and technology, advancement in science and technology?
the world is expanding and development is happening.
Yes, how it's happening?
I don't know, I didn't get it. Like how? What do you mean?
Yes, anyone?
Good morning, ma'am.
Oh, that's very good morning, Mahima. Yes, can anyone
Ma'am,
just
there was
tell
a
me?
power
Yes,
cut.
Mahima. Okay, that's fine.
There was a power.
Okay, so we are doing revision in week 4, unit 3. So Yomini wants me to explain once again because she didn't understood properly. So we are in the first para. So because of this advancement in science and technology, there are so many changes which are brought about in the environment. So in what sense the changes are being brought about? Can anyone just tell me if you have any idea about the advancements due to science and technology in the present world, in the changes in environment. There's a very simple example in front of you. So how you'll travel if you want to go and get something from the shopping mall?
Cars and all these stuff.
Yes. So
Transportation.
what is happening by using more and more amount of vehicles, using more and more uh,
Okay,
yeah,
so
what's happening?
pollution. There's a lot of
Pollution. Yeah, it's an advancement of science and technology that you're using these vehicles, isn't it? In olden days, they used to use all these vehicles. They used to go by bicycle or by walk or by bullock carts. There were so many means of transport. But due to the advancement of science and technology, this is only a simple part. It's only a minute part of the advancement, and which I'm talking about. But there are so many other advancements which have been taking place in the science and technology. If we are going to, if we just start talking about that, there's a very long list about that. So this pollution is taking place. So because of this, you can just tell me now what is happening because of pollution, how the environment is changing.
the weather is getting worse day by day.
Mm. Yes, and
There's a lot of global warming.
yes, and the ozone layer is being depleting, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and we are just liberating. There are so many things which are liberating the CFCs and the carbon monoxide. So from where these are being liberating?
Factories.
And especially the
And
CFCs, from where we get the CFCs?
ACs and all the
Oh,
household
Yes,
electronics.
yeah, refrigerators, ACs. So these are liberating more amount of CFC. So main cause of this ozone depletion is CFCs and carbon monoxide from the vehicles which you are using. So there's a big hole which been made in the ozone layer. So because of this hole, the harmful rays from the sun are being entering into the earth, and they are causing so many skin diseases. When they fall on the skin of humans, they cause very bad effect on our health. So this was about the advancement in science and technology. So in order to initiate, I want you to just write, or you just do a survey on this. Try to grab a few more points regarding the advancement in science and technology and how they are being affecting the changes in the environment. I want you all to tell four more points or include two, at least 2 points, each one of you. Try to tell me two more
Okay.
points on this, okay?
On advancements in science
Yeah,
technology,
yes, how
right?
it has been causing a great effect on the environmental changes. Okay, you got it?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Now talking about the environmental protection. So it should be an integral part of development process. Environmental issues can be best handled with participation of all the concerned citizens at the local and national levels. So there is a big like participation was there uh, near the seashore. The people, they used to collect all the garbage. There was a participation of different citizens, isn't it, children? And they just clean up everything near the seashore. There's lots and lots of things are being dumped into the oceans and seas, isn't it? So because of this, there is a pollution in the water also. Because of what the reason, main reason behind this is we are losing all the uh, living things which are present in the ocean, like the fishes
So,
are being died because of pollution. We are dumping everything in the oceans and seas. So the awareness must be there in the citizens, so they have to come forward to participate in all these the issues which are there, the issues which we are facing nowadays because of this environmental, the problems which we are facing. So citizens, even the locals and the national citizens also must take part in different activities. Like a few years back, and even we are doing now also, what was the main participation which was done here in the Warangal about the planting of trees? Can anyone just name it?
Harita.
Yes,
Haritaharam.
yes, good. In that, what you all have done?
Planted one
I
tree.
planted 100 trees, ma'am.
Okay, that's good. So this is about the participation of the citizens. So by doing this programs, small programs, we are helping, we are making aware the citizens how they can come forward and help. Even in our area in Warangal, the